Hello everybody, Happy New Year. First video of the new year, and I'm super excited about it because one of my New Year's resolutions was to get to know electronics and coding and a lot of that stuff a lot more so I can enhance my creations, enhance the stuff that I want to make, and figure out how to make them even more interactive. So one of the websites I really love to go to figure out a lot of these projects is Adafruit. Not a sponsor, but Adafruit, I mean, consider it. That would be kind of sweet. I'm down. And Adafruit is a website where you can order all these different electronics, lights, Raspberry Pi boards. No, not the pastry. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's a little mini computer board. All these different types of things that you can do to create electronics projects and things like that. And the project that I found that I'm going to start the year off with is the talking dog collar from Up. So here is the overall project page. You see some main images, a full YouTube video, and over here are the actual products I'll need to order to make the entire collar. They also have a full circuit diagram because I am still learning and this is super helpful. Also, they have the code, which I will have to do a couple of adjustments to, and they even have the 3D models for the collar. So, ordered all the components, 3D printed the pieces, and began to solder. Once that was done, I uploaded the code and had an issue. So, I'm having issues with the collar. The sound just won't play. And so I hopped onto the forums on Adafruit and got in touch with one of the admins there. And they walked me through testing the actual components that I ordered. Turns out it was a faulty soundboard. So they're sending me a new one, and hopefully that helps. Okay, so I got the new sound card, still not working, but I figured out the issue. So here are the file names in the code, and before those were actually spaces, and they weren't actually registering as characters. So I changed all the spaces to zeros, and it works! So, awesome, I figured that out, and now to actually make the collar. So I painted the 3D printing components, laid everything out onto this leather strip, and started adding the accessories, painted things, and then started adding onto the electronics. What I want this to be is I want this to actually be able to attach to any collar, so you can actually just slide it on, kind of like a belt. So as you can see here, this was after I glued everything on. All the components are inside, the wires are all covered and safe, and it even works over Bluetooth.
Hi